Welcome to the second video of our series based on rules of winning traders, in which I talk about rules that form a framework for a winning trader's mindset. In today's video, we'll talk about rule number 2 of winning traders, which is always trade your plan. Trading is not a game of chance, where you can simply make thousands of dollars per day without much effort or planning. Trading is very intentional. It requires a great deal of planning and discipline to stick to the plan consistently. Success in trading doesn't just happen by luck. It's a journey where every move counts, and each decision must be made purposefully to attain your financial goals. This is where a trading plan comes into the picture. It gives you a sense of clarity and direction in the unstructured markets. It serves as your roadmap in the market for your trading journey. But what exactly is a trading plan? Trading plan is nothing but a set of guidelines and principles that you decide for yourself to follow. Indispensable components of a trading plan. Your trading plan or system must include following: your short-term and long-term goals. Type of trading you wish to do: intraday, swing trading, or long-term investment trades. Trading instruments you'll trade, aka your watch list. Your money management rules. Your risk tolerance per day and per trade. Your position size. Your entry criteria. Your trade management rules. Your exit criteria, and trade journaling. These 10 components is what makes a comprehensive, well-defined trading plan. Point 1. Your short-term and long-term goals give you a sense of purpose for trading. Without purpose, nothing can sustain. It reminds what you're doing it for and gives you the motivation to stick when things get tough. Point 2 and 3. Provides a clarity about the market and charts you'll be spending your most time on. Point 4 and 5. Guide you in capital preservation. These are the most important and should never be compromised on. Point 6. Position size. Depends upon your risk tolerance and stop-loss size. Point 7, 8, and 9 are about when to get in a trade, how to manage it, and to get out. Point 10. Last but definitely not the least, is about journaling your trades. This cannot be overlooked or avoided if you genuinely want to become successful in this game. The thing that separates winners from average traders is that an average trader will never take out time to prepare a trading plan. He will look out for tips and tricks of the market and keep wandering and losing money. On the other hand, the winning trader does an intensive research for each and every component of his trading plan. He develops an extensive trading plan after days of hard work and adopts it before entering a trade. He abhors tips and other distractions. Once you have created your trading plan, you have to stick to it for at least 20 trades before you can make any changes or refinements. This is because outcome of a trading plan can never be judged by a single trade. This consistency as execution of a trading plan is the most difficult part of trading. Because you'll have so many temptations to get into trades that are not part of your trading plan. You'll have to fight your impulses each and every day, and stay consistent to your trading plan. You always have to keep reminding yourself that you're doing it for the process and not the outcome. This is what it takes to become successful in trading. We will talk more about this in our upcoming videos. Until then, watch this video to understand why you must not change any trading plan before 20 trades. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you found anything of value.